solving 12 divide by 4 times by 3 plus 5 minus 7 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 using BODMAS. According to BODMAS, first of all we start with brackets. Starting with brackets, we will have 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Second, we go to order. Order means the exponent. Which will give us 2 raised to the power of 2 equals to 4. Then we go to the division and multiplication. Which is 12 divided by 4, which will give us 3. Then 3 times by 8 will give us 24. The next step is following the BODMAS. We go to addition and subtraction. And subtraction. So on addition and subtraction, we have 24 minus by 7 plus 4, which will give us 21. That means our final answer is equals to 21. So we will go into PEDMAS. Having solved this, you can see using BODMAS to solve the equation over here. 12 divided by 4 times by 2 over bracket 3 plus 5 minus 7 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. You can see that using BODMAS, solving first with brackets. The bracket here is this. You solve the bracket, which is 3 plus 5, that's equals to 8. The other is the exponent, which means you solve the 2 raised to the power of 2, which will give you 4. Then the division and multiplication, which is here. You solve 12 divided by 4, which will give you 3. Then which will bring us to the equation of this 3 times by 8. You know, here is 3 times by 8. That's what you see. 4 divided by 4, 3 times by 3 plus 5, 8. Times in 3 by 8 will give us 25. Then you say 24 minus 7 plus 4. This minus 7 over here plus this 2 raised to the power 2, which is the exponent, which gave us 4. You say 24 minus 7 plus 4, which will give us 21. So the final answer we got using BODMAS to solve this equation is 21. So we will go further to use PEDMAS to solve the same equation to see what we get. Solving the same question using PEDMAS, we stand for P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. So the equation is this, solving it using PEDMAS. 12 divided by 4 times by 3 bracket open plus 5, which will give us, no, the equation is what I'm trying to write on time. So solving this equation, first of all, we solve the parentheses. Solving the parentheses, which is this. You say 3 plus 5, which will give us 8. The exponent, which is this, 2 raised to the power of 2. From the E, the exponent, we solve the exponent by saying exponent, which is 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 4. Then multiplication and division, MD, multiplication and division. We have this. This is the division over here in this equation. The only multiplication and division we have in this equation is 12 divided by 4, which is solving 12 divided by 4. We will have we have 3. Then that means 3 times by 8. 3 times by 8, which is this, times by this, which will give us, working on both multiplication and division, which will give us 24. Then we go to addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction is 24 this minus 7 over here, this 7 over here, plus this, which is this, the exponent, which is 4, equals to 21. So using PEMDAS to solve this equation, we also got 21. which means the final answer is 21 using PEMDAS. So we will use GEMDAS to solve the same question to see if you can get the same answer. Using GEMDAS, to solve the same question, which stands for 1G grouping, which is the same thing as parentheses. We start from G, the grouping, which stands for grouping. Grouping, which is the same thing as parentheses. We have 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. 3 plus 5. The exponent. The exponent, which is this 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 4. Then solving the MMD, the multiplication and division. Which is equals to 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, which will give us 3. Then 3 times by 8, which is equals to 24. This 3, 12 divided by 4, 3, which is this 3 over here. 3 plus 5, which is this 8 over here, which gave us 24. So performing addition and subtraction, now we move from the left to the right, which is 24 here, 24 over here. We got 24 from here to here, which means 24 minus 7, this 7 over here, plus 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4. Right, 4 equals to 21. So our final answer using GEMDAS to solve this equation will give us 21, the same answer we got. So we will go into using VBODMAS to solve the same question to see what we can get. Solving this equation using VBODMAS. So V stands for Vinculum, which is not applicable in this equation. So we go over to brackets, solving the brackets, which is this. We say bracket equals to 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. Solving on others, which you can say call the parentheses if you like. Solving on others, 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4. Solving on division and multiplication. Which is 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Then 3, which is this 12 divided by 4, that's 3. And this, which is 8, which will give us 3 times by 8 equals to 24. Working on the addition and subtraction. Which will give us 24 this, which made up this from here to here. 24 minus 7 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 4, which will give us 21. Using VBODMAS, we also got the same 24. So we go into the next one. The final step is solving this equation using Polish notation. The Polish notation is this. The Polish notation goes like this: plus, minus, times, division, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 4. To solve using the Polish notation, first of all, we go into division. Which is 12 divided by 4 divided by 4, which is equals to 3. The multiplication, three times by 8, which is equals to 24. So you go to the subtraction. Which is 24 this minus 7, this 7 over here, which will give us 17. Then we go over to addition. Addition, we say 17 plus 4, which will give us 21. So our final answer using Polish notation is 21. So let's go to the beginning and look into the questions which we have solved. We started with the VBODMAS. the BODMAS. We solved with the BODMAS, which gave us answer equals to 24. That means we got 24 solving with the BODMAS. So we move to the PEMDAS. The PEMDAS, solving first the parentheses followed by the exponents, multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. We also got 21. The PEMDAS, we also got 21 while solving with the PEMDAS. So we go to the GEMDAS. The GEMDAS, we also got 24, starting with the grouping, which is the parentheses, to the exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. We also got 21. That means solving with the GEMDAS also we got 21. Solving with the VBODMAS, here Vinculum is not applicable, so we move straight to the bracket, then to the order, division and multiplication, ending it with addition and subtraction, which also gave us 21. Then we move to the Polish notation. Solving the Polish notation, this is what is usually used to solve the Polish notation. Solving the Polish notation, we also got 21, starting with the division. 12 divided by 3 divided by 4, which is this, then 3 times by 8, which is this 3, from this times by this is 8. 3 plus 4, 8, which gives us 8, equals to 24. So with 24 we move to subtraction. Subtraction, here we got 24 minus 7. All these, the answer is 24. So we minus the 7 here to got 17. Then we move into this, which gave us 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, which is this. 17 plus 4, which gave us 21. So the final answer is, using all methods to solve the equation, the final answer is 21. The final answer is 21. Thank you for watching.